इट मीन्स दैट अगर मैंने एजेंडा सेट नहीं किया होता और we are in the middle of the call, and if I ask you a lot of questions that you say, okay, my sales is broken and I'm not able to sell, I'm not able to close the clients, people are ready but still they are not buying, and then I ask why this is happening, again you said something, I again ask why this is happening. अगर मैं इतने ज्यादा why पूछ रहा हूँ और मैंने कॉल के पहले ही ये नहीं बताया कि मैं पूछूंगा, तो सामने वाला क्या बोलेगा, अब भाई इतना क्यों पूछ रहे हो, like just tell me how I can solve this problem, why you asking so much a question to me. And at that time, I have no answer. And then it is complete chaos on a sales call. And there is no closing in a chaos, right? So for that, we have to set the agenda like a leader. Like this is how this call is going to be. Are you okay with this? And obviously person will say, yeah, I'm okay in 99% cases. So this is the first thing.